Caterpillar Engineering Design Center India is in the downtown of Chennai, occupying one floor of a 10-story building with 70,000 square feet. Our engineers work in concept design, detailed design, analysis, and manufacturing engineering. We will take you through 5 projects done by our engineers, 1 project on concept design of engines, 2 projects on attachment design, 1 project on engine performance and analysis, and 1 project on manufacturing engineering. Lubrication system for C-145 engine valve train assembly. Satish has done his master's in thermal engineering. He has been working for Caterpillar since September 2008 as part of the LPSD MC COE extension team at EDCI India. Prior to Caterpillar, he was with a major passenger car manufacturer for over 4 years in engine R&D division. This project is related to the redesign of the valve train components for modified lubrication flow path for the new C-145 engine development for future requirements. The cylinder head and valve train components are being totally redesigned for increased power. The new layout needs a new and more compact lubrication flow path. The main idea is to develop the oil flow path from the cylinder head to the rocker shaft through a rocker mounting pad, instead of the flow through the head cover in the current arrangement. The rocker shaft will be centrally mounted in this arrangement, a change from the side-mounted rocker shaft that is commonly used with Caterpillar engines. This concept will be validated through analysis in Dynasty at EDCI India. The project allows for a compact arrangement of the valve train. This ensures effective lubrication of critical valve train components. The next step is related to the redesign of the valve train components for strength and oil flow requirements. 360-degree rotating grapple. This is Bharathi working for Work Tools at EDCI since 2004. This is about a global NPI project named 360-degree rotating grapple. This project was focused on the development and commercial release of the 320D hydraulic excavator. It was specifically designed to meet the forestry market demand in Indonesia. The GLC-85 is a hydromechanical rotating system which is used for the loading and unloading of logs from trucks in the forestry area and mills. The scope of the project includes competitors' product cycle test, teardown, part measurements, material hardness test, field visit for collecting voice of the customer, design, FEA, and release of first production drawings for manufacturing. The challenges encountered were to solve field issues pertaining to oil leakage, structural cracks, weight and part reduction, and weld failures of competitor product. The grapple was successfully launched on August 2008 after 20,000 hours of field test and added as a new product in the Caterpillar Work Tool services. 9 patent applications were filed in India and the Asia-Pacific region towards accomplishing a simplified rotating system and arm assembly design, which provided ease of manufacturing, improved reliability, and serviceability. D60 Ripper Design. Satish Kumar has been working on the Ripper design for the D60 tractor. He graduated in 2007 from the Indian Institute of Technology Madras and since then has been working with Caterpillar. This project was to optimize the D60 Ripper structure to achieve a 25% reduction in weight and cost compared to the current D6T model. Pro Mechanica is being used to validate the changes done to make sure that it's meeting the life goals. The challenge is to achieve design targets by avoiding new castings and tooling, thereby reducing the capital cost. The challenge was also to customize the subassembly and parts currently under production at Caterpillar Mexico for the new designs. The impact of the project is that the D60 Ripper has 6 less parts compared to the original D6T model. EDCI has eliminated internal parts and parts requiring a lot of forming operations, which helps in cost reduction. The D60 Ripper is projected to cost $2,000 less as well. EDCI is replicating the weight and cost reduction opportunities from the D60 Ripper products. The engine performance team at EDCI India. Arvind has been working for Caterpillar since 2006. Before CAT, he was working on engine R&D with a truck manufacturer. EDCI India started supporting the Engine Performance Lab at Tech Center L in 2006. At that time, the work was largely offline and the results were sent to the engineers. With the increased Tier 4 engine rating development work, it is necessary to run the engine test cells 24/7. Starting March of this year, we extended real-time support during the bridge shift. Now our team directly supports a bridge shift between first and second shift, as no analysts are available at that time. Our bridge shift analysts move the test cell activities forward, such as test instructions, troubleshooting and follow-up of test runs, shift handoff, and data analysis. EDC India increased the overall equipment efficiency by supporting 15 test cells at an average of 8 tests per day. Joliet Cab Assembly Line. Partha has been working for Caterpillar since 2004. Before CAT, he was working for a Tier 1 automotive supplier in India. At Caterpillar, he worked in tool design for Aurora for 3 years, after which he's working with a virtual manufacturing team of the Manufacturing Services Group at EDC India. The goal of the project is to convert the present stall build cab assembly line, which is used for quarry and construction and large mining trucks, into a progressive assembly line to increase the output by 20%. The scope of our work was to design and develop a virtual assembly line to accommodate 4 different cabs, simulate and optimize the facility, and perform virtual safety and ergonomic studies. EDC India was challenged to use the existing facility objects and accessories to avoid or limit capital expenditures. The throughput was validated using discrete event simulation. Production capacity nearly doubled, increasing from 8 to 15 cabs a day. Floor space was reduced by 33%, and direct labor was reduced from 50 to 35, resulting in $750,000 in savings.